It's Friday, January 24th, 2025. It's 9 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. We're only 3 minutes into the market, very early. Watching NVNI, the third highest gainer, up about 70%. Made a nice move right after the bell, trying to pull back. I'll pause and return. I have an order in, and I am in on NVNI with 50 shares. Profit and loss is here. My price is $2.70. See if I can get just a little bit of this move here. I'm going to let this breathe for just a little bit. Not very long. Buyers currently in control of this candle. Now sellers in control. See if buyers can take over. There we go. Looking a little better. See if they can take it on up a little bit, just a little bit more. And I am out. Let's go take a look. All right, that was a fairly quick scalp, $13.99, pretty much $14, and an 8.5% gain on that trade. I was in this just under 2 minutes. I was in at 270, out at 298 with 50 shares. Doing a quick recap, I was in on this candle right here, and I got out on this tall green candle here. So a nice solid quick scalp for a Friday. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next trade.